In this video, we're going to walk through how to integrate your Freedom Kit funnels and chat widget and all the great functionality into your already existing WordPress website. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. So let's say, for example, I want this funnel, which is built inside of my Freedom Kit account, to show up on my WordPress website using my WordPress URL. In this case, we're going to use unbeatabletech.com. So what you want to do, first of all, let's see which funnel I want to copy, the simple list builder funnel. I'll be happy to import in. And from here, let's go into our WordPress website and we'll go to plugins, add new. All you got to do in the search for lead connector, all one word, and hit enter. And it should be the first one that shows up, lead connector. That is our technology provider. We'll go ahead and click on install now and activate. All right, and I'll just do a quick refresh here. And off to the side, we should see now a lead connector icon on our WordPress menu. I'll click on that. And then it'll have a very simple request where it asks for your API key. Let me show you where to find your API key inside your account. Head back over to Freedom Kit, and let's head over to settings. And then down below here, you'll see API key. You can simply click on the copy button and then copy that API key and click OK. Now I'll head back to my WordPress website and paste it in and hit save. All right, just like that, it's saved. So you can go ahead and enable the chat widget. I'll click on the pull and save button. That's going to make sure that all the settings for your chat widget are good to go. And then down below here, you'll also have the option for funnels. And if you click on that to expand it and click on add new, I'll be able to select the funnel I want to import into my website. So I'll click on that. And I see I wanted to do the simple list builder funnel. So I'll select that guy. Now it will automatically pull in all the steps of my funnel. So you can choose which step you want to add as the main, like you're setting up a page here on your website. So you get to choose which one is the starting step of the funnel, which is the free ebook download. Now the display method you can choose here. You can either redirect or embed the full page iframe. I prefer this embed option. You can play with each one, but I don't like redirecting people if I can avoid it. So we'll embed the page directly on your website. We can include the tracking code and using our site favicon so everything looks the same for our users. And we're going to give it a name. So this is going to be, for example, you see unbeatabletech.com/import because I'm importing a funnel, but you would name this whatever your freebie is or however you'd want your funnel to be found. All right, so let's go ahead and click on save. So now this page here, when I click on view, it should pull it open. And notice here, this is still unbeatabletech.com/import. So it's inside my WordPress website, but it's actually showing all my content from Freedom Kit, which is fantastic. All right, and if I click back to just unbeatabletech.com, you'll see I also have brought in my chat widget here, which is controlled from our Freedom Kit settings so that people can instantly become a lead no matter which screen they're on. Hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.